Hello YouTube, my name is Lemonloy, aka King Bobber. And then the shaver I'll be using is also Gillette. It's the Gillette Fusion Pro Glide. Also what you want, here's a razor. Also what you want is, you want a rag. First step is, you wanna have hot water and make this thing as hot as you can. But before we do that, I'm going to use the Gillette Fusion thermal stuff. Okay? This stuff you just kind of put on, just kind of like squirt in your hand, just kind of just rub it on. It makes funny noises. Funny noises, funny noises. Bob me in the bobbers, man. Okay. Alright. Now when we get this stuff on. Jeez, man. Alright. That's about good. Yeah, before you heat up the razor, you want to put some shaving cream on. Now what the thermal stuff does, it make it so when it hits, it's warm. You want to make it as warm, you know, just kind of put some there, kind of that. You kind of want it big and flaky. Big and flaky. Big and flaky, big and flaky, big and... Oh gee, that's warm, my goodness, man. Whew, man. It's been a while, man. I feel that, man. Put this on hot water. I'm gonna put the razor. Make sure it's hot water. Just go like this. And then when you get some hair on it, you go back in the sink. You're gonna do it all over again. But my next, we're going fast forward it. So I got some more about it, okay? I'm gonna be putting on more shaving cream because the hair's starting to get kind of hard. Jeez. Alright. Then when you get your mustache, you want to use your tongue, okay? If you want to go here, to the hair, here, all that. Okay, Barbara taught me that. Okay, this is where you get the rag. When you get this, you want to make all the hair off of your lip. You just kind of want to feel until you get in your hair, and then you kind of want to do that. And I'm just feeling. I don't normally put on shaving cream, but I'm just feeling. Feel like I get hair. But be careful, because this is where you can really cut yourself. Alright. I feel pretty good. Okay. Now the toughest part I hate about shaving is like this junk under here. But I mean, we're like halfway home though. Since this part, I'm gonna put some of this. I'm gonna put more of this thermal stuff on. This thermal scrub. I don't know how well you can see, but like right here, we did cut ourselves. Which, you know, it sucks, but you know, it's not the worst thing. You kind of want to go like straight, you know, kind of like this, and then on the side you want to like angle it. Pretty good here. I still got a lot here, so I'm going to focus on the left side. Just putting, now you want to be very careful with your gel now. You just want to put it now where there's spots. I also want to turn to the camera or the mirror so you can see it better. Now be careful right here though. Want to be very, 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 very careful. Okay, and then, you know what, I say we did pretty good here. Okay, now you just want to feel, okay, we want to come to this stuff. For this stuff, you want to put a little bit on. A little bit goes a long way. But this stuff, it cools. Is that hair? Yeah, whatever. And some of it will burn. If you cut yourself, it will burn that a little bit. Yeah. I got a sticker in the camera. Bobbers. Big bobs, beavers. Okay. Now that we can put that stuff on. Now. I was gonna say, you can put aftershave on, you cannot. I don't know. Most of the time I don't do it because I don't go anywhere. I need to be looking sexy in my room. But yeah, I like Brute. I like this stuff. Again, a little bit goes a long way. That's probably, so you want to put it on one hand and you want to put it there and then you get smack. And you'll be like, okay, we're done. No, you ain't done yet. Now, my mess might be bigger. Oh my, okay, just hang on. I got done. There might be a mess, see? You got hair there. So what you want to do is get a paper towel. Okay, that's my mess. So, you know, in case you live with like your parents or your girlfriend or your wife, you wanna clean up. Since I got thick hair, sometimes I clog the drain. But since I did it most of the way, you want to take your paper towels like this. Since it's wet, it should stick. You want to rip it right. Stupid paper towel. What kind of cheap paper towels are these? They're cheap. Since it's your hair, you know. And yeah. Kind of just want to broke off a couple, put some there, then here. But you know, and just make sure you put everything back the way you found it. Actually, better than the way you found it. But you know, here's this. My name is Light Malloy, aka King Bobbers, and I'm clean shaven, and this has been Noob Tutorials. Not unlike the Noob Tutorials, I actually knew how to shave, but yeah, why not stick with the name? Have a light for day. Bobbers. Ooh.